Okay, thank you. My name is Ilse Marschalek. I'm from the Center for Social Innovation in Vienna, Austria. I'm here together with my colleagues. They were named already, and we are going to present some activities of the Austrian and the Slovenian hub, so in Austrian, our neighboring country. And we at the Center for Social Innovation, we are also engaged in the topic of RI without knowing it, because we know for more than 25 years now, as the center was established, that of course all technical innovations are socially relevant. So we always studied both the social innovation and the technical innovation. So I'm going to introduce some Austrian activities, and then I'll ask my colleague to tell you something about the Slovenian situation, and then Katharina will tell about some trends in Austria and Slovenia. So to the hub in Austria. We selected a few best practice examples, which we collected during our stakeholder consultation activities, and we also try to have some different kinds of RI activities. The first one is an organization, which was built by different research organizations in Austria. It's called Platform for Research and Technology Policy Evaluation, FDEVAL. It's a platform to encourage evaluation, but for really optimal strategic research policy planning. So outcome or main mission is policy recommendations, but also exchange on state-of-the-art evaluation methodologies and exchange on evaluation. So of course this platform is now engaged in how to evaluate RI and its activities and also methodologies. And they have many offers and services you see on the slide. They also publish periodically 3 or 4 times a year. And what is also worth saying, they have a very interesting organizational structure and a rotating CEO. So every 2 years, the CEO of this organization will change, like EU presidency, and gives another governance to the organization as well. The next one is a program, and this is financed by the Austrian Ministry of Science. They really took much money for the last years, for more than 5 years now, to establish a very innovative program that brings together research institutions and school students. And this is not only citizen science where researchers ask students to collect data for them. This is really collaborative work with students and researchers carrying out state-of-the-art research. So it's not like playing research, it's real research projects collaboratively carried out together. And the last one I would like to introduce to you, many of you know already, it's the NanoOpinion project, and we at the Center for Social Innovation were the coordinators of this project. Maybe it's weird to tell you this situation, but it was really nominated from many sides as being a best practice examples, because what NanoOpinion did was a really huge outreach campaign and activities on the very difficult topic of nanotechnologies. So we know that only few people know about nanotechnologies, so we really applied very innovative methods, as we heard before, to go out where people are and speak with them in their understandable language about this so difficult topic. So you can visit our website and find out more on NanoOpinion. Finally, we could engage more than 50,000 people in the streets and discuss nanotechnologies. So thank you. Would now like to hand over to our Austrian hub and Slovenian hub, and Gorazd Weiss.
Thank you, Ilse. In Slovenia, the RI project-related activities are carried out together by ZSI and hub member from Slovenia, which is a Slovenian research agency. It's a public body which funds all the research, national-based research in Slovenia. And together with Slovenian Research Agency, we are trying to organize a lot different type of events for different stakeholders in the form of workshops, also info days, and also to assure the dissemination activities and engagement of stakeholders. So in Slovenia we have identified two promising practices. At first we had more, but these were the most promising. The first one is non-formal promotion of science and education. Ilse, can you? Yeah, this one. Thank you. So this is non-formal promotion of science and education. It's a project carried out by House of Experiments, which is the first national center of science of the type do-it-yourself in Slovenia, and has a variety of different activities. They organize also a science festival in different thematics each year, and they have around 25,000 visitors, which is a lot for Slovenia. Slovenia has only 2 million inhabitants altogether, so each year. And the second one is a different kind of project. This is a project which is carried out by our hub member, Slovenian Research Agency, and it's like a systemic project which aim is to improve the framework conditions for science communication at the national level, and it aims to increase competences of journalists and for the science-related reporting, and also to increase the competences of public relations specialists in research organizations on how to communicate scientific results. So all the informations are also available on the website of the both institutions, which will be published. But I would like to ask Katarina now to present the platforms. Thank you.
Okay, regarding the recent trends in Austria and Slovenia, last autumn, the most relevant research and development stakeholders, including ZSI, established the Austrian RRI platform, and currently they are writing a pamphlet containing the RRI narratives in order to better understand the concept as a whole, and with all its different aspects. And also the collection of the promising practices will feed this better understanding. In Slovenia, also the Slovenian RRI platform will be established according to the Austrian example, and the coordinator will be the Slovenian Research Agency. Thank you.